You know, when you think about a warehouse, you probably think about speed, logistics, all that action, but what about the floor everything happens on? It's so often overlooked. But keeping that floor clean isn't just for looks, it's absolutely critical for safety, for productivity. And honestly, the old way of doing things, it just doesn't cut it anymore. So let's dive into why the tech for cleaning these huge spaces is getting a serious upgrade. And that really brings us to the big question, doesn't it? Is spending money on modern cleaning technology actually worth it, or is it just another expense to track? We're going to dig into the data, look at real-world results, and find out. So before we get to the solution, let's talk about the problem. And if you've ever managed a big facility, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The headaches of traditional cleaning. It's a constant battle, and I have a feeling some of these frustrations are going to sound very, very familiar.
This right here is such a classic example of just wasted effort. You put in all those hours of labor, but what do you get? A floor that still looks kind of grimy. A traditional mop and bucket, a lot of the time, it's just pushing dirty water around. And that doesn't just look bad, it can affect everything from what your clients think to how your own team feels about their workplace.
Okay, so beyond just appearances, we get to the number one issue, safety. Slips and falls are a huge liability, especially in an industrial setting. When you mop the old-fashioned way, the floor stays wet for a long time, and that creates the exact kind of hazard that keeps safety supervisors, and let's be real, the insurance companies, up at night.
And here's where all that inefficiency hits your wallet. I'm talking about downtime. If you have to shut down entire sections just to clean them, you're not moving product, you're not fulfilling orders. Cleaning suddenly becomes this massive roadblock, and you're stuck choosing between a clean facility and a productive one.
You know, even the older machines have their own set of problems. They're usually super loud, disruptive, and the repairs can feel like a money pit that never ends. The true cost goes way beyond what you paid for it up front.
All right, so the problems are pretty clear. What's the answer? Let's take a look at how modern technology is designed to tackle these issues head-on. We're going to use a specific example from our source material here, the Aelith AF2025. It's a micro ride-on scrubber that's really built for today's warehouses.
Okay, right away, the numbers are just wow. 55,000 square feet per hour. Just let that sink in. To give you some perspective, that's like cleaning an entire American football field in about an hour. This isn't just a small improvement, it's a complete game changer for what one person can get done.
And it does all of this at just 70 decibels. That's quieter than a lot of household vacuum cleaners. Think about what that means. You can actually clean while people are working, during active shifts, without disrupting anything. Cleaning doesn't have to be this noisy, after-hours chore anymore.
Powering all this is a modern lithium battery, and get this, it gets to a full charge in just 4 hours. So, no more waiting overnight or dealing with dead batteries halfway through a job. The machine is pretty much always ready to go when you are.
Okay, so we've seen the specs, and they're impressive. But how does that actually translate into a real-world advantage? This is where the data tells a really compelling story. Let's put the old way right next to the new way and see what happens. I mean, just look at this chart. The jump in productivity is incredible. Traditional methods, you're looking at maybe 8,000 square feet an hour, tops. The AF2225 is nearly 7 times faster. But it's not just about saving time, it's about freeing up your people, your most valuable resource, so they can focus on tasks that actually add value.
And this table breaks it down even more. Check out drying time. It goes from taking up to an hour to immediate. That completely eliminates the slip hazard we were talking about earlier. And look at water usage, up to 60% less. That's real savings, and it's a much more sustainable way to operate.
Data is one thing, but what does this technology actually look like in action? Let's hear from people who are using it day in and day out in real warehouses. This is where the proof really is. See, this quote has it all in one. You've got efficiency, safety, and cost savings. That's the trifecta that every warehouse director dreams of. It just goes to show that this kind of investment pays off in so many different areas of the business.
And this brings up a super important point, usability. All that power is worthless if you can't actually control the machine. A tight turning radius like that means it's not just for big open spaces. It can navigate the tricky, narrow aisles you find in a lot of modern fulfillment centers.
Remember that 70 decibel spec we talked about? Here's the real-world impact. For any place that's running 24/7, being able to clean without stopping operations, well, that's not a luxury, it's a necessity. It means you can keep things clean and ready to go all the time. So we've looked at the problems, the solution, the hard data, and the real-world proof.
What does all this mean for you and your operation? Let's pull it all together and tackle some final practical questions.
This is a big one. It's a question we hear all the time. You've got this powerful, advanced piece of tech, so does that mean you need a specialist to operate it?
And the answer is a definite yes. It is easy to use. The design is all about simple, intuitive controls. You don't need tons of training. Your existing team can learn it quickly, which means you start seeing that return on your investment from day one.
And making sure that investment lasts is really straightforward. It just comes down to a few simple, regular habits. Empty the tank, keep the battery charged, check the brushes and hoses, and of course, schedule some regular service. These little steps will keep the machine running like new for years.
And finally, let's talk about the big financial question. Should you rent or own? You know, renting might seem cheaper up front, but the data really points to a clear winner here. When you factor in the huge savings on labor, water, and maintenance, owning the machine delivers a much better return on investment, and it can often pay for itself in just a matter of months.
Which really leaves us with this one final thought to chew on. For so long, cleaning has just been seen as a cost center, a necessary expense. But the data clearly shows that with the right technology, it can actually be transformed into a competitive advantage, one that boosts your safety, your productivity, and your efficiency. So the question isn't really if you can afford a new machine. It's how you want to define the future of your entire operation.